Hi angels, hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today, are you guys ready for another unboxing? If that's something that you're interested in, then go ahead and keep on watching. Let's go ahead, let's jump right in. So you guys know the denim drop just recently happened. So I wanted to talk to you guys about one of my recent purchases. So here it is right here. And this is the way it was delivered to me. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this baby. And while we're doing the unboxing, I just figured I'd talk to you lovely ladies about a few things. So this is the way my lovely item came with the receipt in the bag, and you probably can guess what it is already. So before we get started, let me say that I did just get home from Cane's, and for a while there, we didn't have a Cane's in my area, and then all of a sudden we started getting them. And my family is from the East Coast. I have some family that lives in New Jersey, and when they come to visit me, they always love Cane's, you guys. So today I just got through with some Cane's, and I still had my sweet tea left. And you guys know their sweet tea is really, really sweet. So I have a lot of ice in there, and I wanted to go ahead and just sip on my sweet tea while I talk to you guys. But I wanted to do my unboxing of this lovely bag right here. So you guys know recently I did a celebrity bag review on Meagan the Stallion, and she, as well as the Haim sisters, have this lovely field tote, and I figured it was cute enough for my girl Meagan and it's cute enough for the Haim sisters, then I wanted to go ahead and pick up this field tote as well. What I like about the denim drop and about some of Coach's field totes right now, what I really like about them is that they have them in so many different sizes. So this lovely bag, lately I've decided to go ahead and pick up a few of my beauties a little bit smaller. Normally I'm a big bag girl and I like a really large bag, but this time around I said let me go with the smaller size 22. This bag also comes in the larger size 40, and I just love some of the other field totes and some of the carry-alls that Coach did with this line of handbags. There's the Dempsey totes in the 22 and in the 40. Then there's the field totes. There's also the field tote with quilting that's so super cute. They also did a Bonnie Cashin tote. They did several versions of the Bonnie Cashin tote, which I think is just so adorably cute. As well as in the denim line, they did several other beautiful handbags. So I figured we'd just talk about some of the handbags from the denim collection while I go ahead and unbox this beauty today. So they did the lovely camera bag that's very pretty. They also did the Lucy bag. The Lucy bag has two openings that's really cute. So they did the lovely Lucy bag as well. And you know what they did that I think is really cute, you guys? It's a handsome bag. And I want to say sexy bag, but it's a handsome bag. You guys know I have the Hudsons. I love the Coach Hudson bag. And they did a really nice Hudson backpack. That's a handsome backpack. It's in the men's section, and it is, I can't even say beautiful. That's a handsome backpack, you guys. It's sold in the men's section, and it's basically, I know sometimes I do go ahead and shop in the men's section and wear and carry some of their bags. That one is a very, to me, it's, you know, it's more of like a camping backpack and a more backpack for a gentleman, but it's so beautiful. It's so handsome. That Hudson backpack is just so adorable and cute to me, you guys. So go ahead and check that out in the men's collection. But today I just wanted to unbox my beauty and do a reveal of this lovely Dempsey 22. And I thought this little size would be just so super cute. So I figured that when I go ahead and pick a bag, you know, you can't buy everything. You can't purchase all the sizes. So I have to go ahead and figure out which one is going to work best for me in my collection. And even though I do like the 40, and I think it's so nice, it'll be nice as a work bag or as a larger bag to travel with or just to carry. And I do like the carry-alls. The carry-alls are like the perfect size. The older lvluxegirl from a few months ago would have probably chosen this Dempsey tote in the carry-all size. But right now I figured why not, you know, have a few smaller bags as well in my collection. That way I could have bags of all different shapes and sizes. So this time around I ended up going with the size 22, you guys, with the size 22. And this is it right here. It's so adorably cute. And this is going to be so cute because it's small enough that even though it's a tote, you can wear it crossbody. And like I said, when I saw my girl Meg with hers, and she has the field tote with the horse and carriage, it's just so adorably cute on her that I just said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and be like Meg and the Haim sisters. And I'm going to go ahead and pick this lovely tote up in the small size. So this is it right here. And I'm going ahead and taking everything off so you ladies can take a look at her with me. And I'm gonna, you know, I don't want it to give me anxiety with how much I can carry. I think there's enough space in here for me to carry just my essentials and what I need. I think I'm gonna have enough room in here to just carry my essentials and what I need, you guys. So this is my lovely Dempsey Tote in the gorgeous little dainty size 22 that's going to be able to carry, just like Meagan, my lip gloss and my cash. That's all I really need. And I think this is going to work out fine for me. I also had a little bit of anxiety about the white color, you know, the gorgeous white color, because I don't really have a lot of bone chalk white handbags. And I was worried a little bit about dirt on the edges. But hey, this summertime is coming up and I'm going to be able to wear this bag with my jeans. And hey, I'll be able to just wipe it off if it gets a little bit of dirt on it. No problems, no worries. But she is adorably cute to me, and I will have all of her dimensions somewhere here for you guys for the lovely size 22. And remember that, like I said, this baby also comes in the size 40 as well as the carry-all size. And there's just so many lovely of these totes that Coach has. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. I have a very fun bag reveal coming up on my channel within a couple of days. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you ladies soon in another video.